Hi! In this video, we will be talking about clauses. With a little help from the Simpson family, this video will teach you about clauses used in English. So before we get started, let's meet the Simpson children. This is Bart, Lisa, and Maggie Simpson. As you can see, they are already telling us what we will need as we watch this video. Whenever you see a purple star, like the one Bart is spray painting, you will need to take notes and write down answers to the questions being asked. To make sure that you are learning from this video, you will want to be like Lisa, so make sure you have some paper and a pen or pencil to write down anything and everything that will make it easier for you to remember what clauses are. And finally, you will want to make sure you are ready to have a good time, like Maggie is with her awesome sunglasses. So make sure you have a nice beverage, a good snack, and anything that will make you comfortable as you learn about clauses. Let's get started. The first thing you will need to know is that a clause is a group of related words with a subject and a verb. The following sentences are examples of clauses. In the sentence, Bart likes skateboarding, the clause has a subject, Bart, a verb, likes, and an object, skateboarding. As you can see, this clause and all of the other clauses have a subject and a verb, but not all of them have an object. Not all clauses require an object. In the sentence Lisa studies, there is a subject, Lisa, and a verb, studies. Even though there is no object, this is still a clause. This is important to remember because not all clauses will have an object. When we talk about clauses, there are two types of clauses. The first type of clause is known as an independent clause. Independent clauses are complete sentences that stand alone. They make sense by themselves, and they are sometimes called simple sentences. The following sentences are independent clauses. Notice that these are all complete sentences, but not all of them have objects. For a sentence to be complete, it doesn't always need to have an object. In the second sentence, they got married, all we need to know is the subject and verb phrase, and it expresses a complete thought. The same can be said about the sentence, Marge and Homer met in high school. That also expresses a complete thought, but in this case, the sentence has an object. Make sure to pause the video and follow the directions that Bart left at the bottom of this slide. The second type of clause is known as a dependent clause. Unlike independent clauses, dependent clauses cannot be sentences on their own. They express incomplete thoughts. Look at the first example. After Bart was born, it doesn't sound complete, does it? That's because dependent clauses don't express complete thoughts. They need independent clauses in order for them to make sense. Even though this sentence still has a subject, Bart, and a verb phrase, was born, it needs something else to give it a complete thought. Pause the video to take notes and follow Bart's directions. If you're feeling confused about the differences between independent and dependent clauses, one way to think of them is in regards to the relationship between children and adults. Independent clauses are like adults. They are independent. This means that they can take care of themselves and they can help take care of others. Adults can be by themselves, just like independent clauses. They are complete without needing help from anyone else. Now, dependent clauses are like children. Children cannot take care of themselves, so they need adults to help take care of them. Just like Bart, Lisa, and Maggie, dependent clauses are incomplete on their own. The kids need Homer and Marge, their parents, or independent clauses to help them out. Can you think of another way to describe independent and dependent clauses? Pause the video and answer Bart's question. You have finished watching this video on clauses. Make sure you took notes and answered all of the questions and be ready to discuss the video in class. Thank you.